So I'm focusing on non-profit organizations, on their legal issues and their governance issues. Now, non-profit organizations, they refer to differently. Some are saying NGOs, CBOs. It's in essence organizations focused on promoting a public benefit objective or promoting the common interests of organizations. So, they operate in different fields like social welfare, religious organizations, educational organizations. So there's really a wide spectrum of organizations. And legally, you've got basically three options: a non-profit company, a non-profit trust, and a voluntary association. So I'm focusing on their legal issues, providing them advice in terms of what is the most suitable legal entity, their tax issues, registration in terms of the NPO Act, and also some of the operational issues, because they would also employ employees, and they will appoint volunteers, and they will enter into agreements like lease agreements. So all of that, stuff that I'm providing advice on and assistance, and that part I like, the legal side, to provide organizations with that. The other part that I'm more excited upon is about governance. And that's about, if an organization might be fully legally compliant, but that doesn't mean it's going to be effective in pursuing its vision. So I'm providing advice on what systems you have to have in place, the policies, and what practices an organization should adopt to become effective. And that you can't really come up with a list to say this applies to all organizations. It should be, for a specific organization. So that's in a nutshell. And it also means that, you can't provide that advice just from an office. You have to go out to organizations, deal with them. You have to communicate. I do workshops, seminars, and that's a different level of being a lawyer, where you have to convey that information very effectively to organization in a way that they sometimes understand complex legal issues, but you sort of bring it across in a way that they do understand.